Imagine having the ability to fine-tune your mobile app campaigns based on your users' predicted lifetime value and proactively retain the ones who might be on the verge of saying goodbye to your app. That's the magic of LTV and Churn Predictions, AppMetrica's new AI-powered feature for maximizing revenue from your top-performing ads and ensuring that users stick around. LTV Predictions allow you to look into the future of your app and get the most out of your advertising investment by identifying, matching, and optimizing campaigns around users with the highest lifetime value. With LTV Predictions, you will see which user cohort will bring you the most revenue in 28 days after installing the app. Then, you can use that information to optimize your campaigns and bring even more top LTV users to your app. With Churn Predictions, you can identify app users with a high possibility of quitting your app and take immediate steps to re-engage them. For instance, you can send them a personalized push notification directly from AppMetrica. So, what sets this feature apart? It's not just about accurate forecasts based on big data. It starts working from day one of your campaign. The predictions start rolling in the moment you launch your ads and start bringing users to your app. No need to wait for days, or even hours, for user data to load. It's instant, revealing customer journeys and actions right out of the box. All it takes is a couple of clicks in your AppMetrica interface, and you're good to go. You can start using LTV and Churn Predictions with AppMetrica's Pro plan. Reach out to our customer success managers to start a free trial or upgrade your subscription today. Just visit the link below.